Look at this. We are asked to solve this. It says, if square root of 6 is this, evaluate this. Correct to 2 decimal places. Okay? My target now is, as I'm working, I'll be going towards square root of 6. Square root of 6 because there's a tip given to us here. Okay? Let's do that. Whenever you see solve, rationalize the denominator. That is the first step. Don't waste time. Equal to square root of 2 over square root of 3 plus square root of 2. We put the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate of the denominator. That is, this is the denominator. You just change the sign between these two. That is minus. You put it at the top, you put it at the bottom. That is numerator and denominator. Because if you cancel this, it is 1. 1 multiplied by this, the same thing. We are not changing the question, okay? So now we continue. Square root of 2, 3 minus square root of 2 all over this. As you can see, this and this are the same. This and this are the same. The only difference is what? Is minus and plus. Therefore, you take one of them, put square here, you take one of these two, put square. That is it. If you like, you can expand this and see. You will arrive at this, okay? Now, let's continue. This multiplied by this will give us square root of 6 minus square root of 4. All over, this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel, remaining 3 minus 2. So this is what? Square root of 6. What is the meaning of square root of 4? That is 2. This is 1. Anything over 1 is the same thing. Now, what is the square root of 6? The square root of 6 given to us was what? 2.45. 2.45. So we replace this with 2.45 minus 2. Finally, we're going to have 0.45. The question says what? In how many decimal places? In 2 decimal places. Are we there? We are there because if you count 1, 2 after the decimal, it means this is the answer. Okay? Hope this understood. Thank you for viewing.